So hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cinyunglove. So today I'm so excited to do the unboxing. I think it's around 2 hours to decide which one I want to buy at that time. But I decided to buy this piece, this classic piece, and I think I won't regret it. So first of all, I want to thank you to my husband because he already sent me this precious gift. He expecting me not to be haunted anymore by Chanel, because every day, every night, I keep thinking about Chanel bag before I bought this bag, of course. Every night, I kept asking him, which one is more beautiful, which one is more pretty, and actually that's all the same bags. He want me to be happy and he gave me this present. So thank you, hubby, for giving me this precious gift. It's been keep haunting me for so many years actually, but thank God I got the bag now. Mwah, love you. So let's watch together for the unboxing, guys. So now you guys already watched the unboxing part. First, actually, I was looking for a reissue bag and I found it. It's available in that store in the size 2 to 6. Before I was looking for a size 2 to 5. But when I try it on my body, the size for a reissue 2 to 5 is too small, I think. And when I try the size 2 to 6, the back and with my outfit and my body is very looks more pretty than in the 2 to 5, and that's in the ruthenium hardware. It's so vintage, it's like a vintage piece, and I almost get it, but I decided not to buy it because when I asked the SA what series is the bag, and he said it was in the 25 series. Oh my god, it's been 25 and now the series is in the 30, right? 30, and it's around 2.5 years. But if you buy a new bag from the boutique with the new price, which is you compare with the 2.5 years ago, it's quite you can save more money, right? And that's why I decided not to buy that reissue. And he also showed me another reissue, the series 28 and maybe 26. But when I saw the bag, there was some of defects and I don't like it. Some they have a fold in the flap, and the color is also different. So every leather in the calfskin leather or also the caviar skin or caviar leather, they have a different color at that time. Although it was black, they both are black together, black, but the black sometimes you can saw it more glossy, more dove, and so I decided not to buy it. And fortunately there was a classic piece, which is, you guys know, it's very good for an investment piece, right? In this pandemic situation, the reseller from Instagram in my city, they sold it very quick and they sell it higher than the market price. So that's why when I call the store and asking for the price in Jakarta, the price is cheaper than in Instagram reseller in Jakarta, right? in Jakarta, man. Oh my god. So that's why I decided I need to buy the new condition, the new bag, the new piece of Chanel in the Chanel boutique directly. So that's why thank God I found this SA, and he's so kind to me and very patient to me. As you guys know, I've been in the store for 2 hours. That's a very long time. I think the SA will think, oh my god, quick, you must quick, you must decide it, please. I have a lot of customers after you. But thank God he's so kind. So I decided to buy this classic piece. They said the classic piece, they always come with this dust bag, this pattern, and with the cocoa picture inside, like this. I was looking for the gold hardware, but they're not available. And if you want to find a classic flap in a medium size with a black caviar, it's very difficult right now. They just came into the store not so long before I went to the store, so I'm so lucky to get this. Before there is another silver hardware like this, but it's more Dove, which is I like the glossy one like this than the Dove one. So this is my first bag from Chanel, guys. I'm so in love with her. So if you guys going to the Chanel boutique and you wanna buy the reissue, make sure the series is in the newest series, or at least one series before. Because if 25, it's been a long time. It's a display bag, so the SA told me I better take this one because it's more classic from Chanel and it holds the value, guys. So yesterday I got this bag organizer from MB Shop Organizer. So thank you MB Shop Organizer for this cute bag, and I like the color. It's in a maroon color, and it's very helped me to put it inside here. See the color, the bag organizer color, and the burgundy leather. So it can help my bag more structure and not losing the shape, guys. And if you watch in my previous video about my Dior bag and my Lindy, Speedy, I bought all of those organizers from this seller, MB Shop Organizer. You will see what fits inside this bag. And this bag organizer is really helpful, and I need this bag organizer because I need to keep the shape of my classic bag to keep in fit condition. So stay tuned, guys, and after this I will show you what can fit inside the bag and also the mode shots. So here is the bag organizer from MB Shop. Here's MB bag organizer. So it has a 2 slot inside and 1 slot larger than this one, and it fits, and it was made for this medium large classic flap bag like this. So here you go. Ta-da! And I will show you what can fit inside the bag using this bag organizer. The bag organizer came with this bubble foam, the bubble plastic. So every time I want to store my bag, so I will put the bubble foam with the bag organizer inside the bag. See that? It makes our bag to stay at its shape and still in a good condition. That's why we need the bag organizer, and also the inside the bubble foam. So that's very great. So you can store your bag like this. Ta-da! And put into your closet. Ta-da! Awesome, right? This is the bag organizer. First, put the big size of your things. Mirror, hair clip, hand sanitizer, of course, tissue, wet tissue, panty liners, solvents, and mask, and glasses. Ta-da! See that? A little bit bulky, but still okay. Yeah. So you just take it. It fits inside. And if you wanna grab your things and move to another bag, just bring it out just like that. It's empty. Inside the bag is empty. It's only a card from this bag. And here you go. Ta-da! Yeah. 사랑해. Thank you, MB Shop Organizer. Love it. Here's the precious piece. This is my favorite style, guys. Wear it as a shoulder bag. And if I double the chain, so like this. And if I wanna like this, use it as a clutch. And also, if you shorten the double chain inside, so you can take it as a like this. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Hope this video will be useful for you who is looking for your first piece Chanel collection. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.